In our tutorials thus far, we have delved into the realm of Lua programming, exploring its capabilities and syntax. Throughout our journey, we have primarily focused on utilizing built-in functions provided by Lua. These functions are integral components of Lua's standard library, meticulously crafted to simplify, expedite, and streamline the coding process. Built-in functions serve as the cornerstone of Lua programming, imbuing developers with a rich arsenal of tools to tackle diverse challenges. They encapsulate a plethora of functionalities, spanning from mundane tasks like printing text to complex mathematical computations. By harnessing these predefined functions, programmers can circumvent the arduous task of reinventing the wheel, fostering code efficiency and maintainability. Furthermore, the integration of built-in functions into Lua's core library underscores the language's versatility and adaptability to myriad use cases, ranging from scripting to game development. Built-in functions are seamlessly integrated into Lua's standard library, constituting an extensive repertoire of utilities readily accessible to developers. This comprehensive library encompasses a myriad of domains, encompassing string manipulation, mathematical operations, file handling, and more. By leveraging Lua's rich ecosystem of built-in functions, developers can orchestrate intricate workflows with finesse, obviating the need for external dependencies or cumbersome workarounds. Thus, Lua's expansive library of built-in functions stands as a testament to the language's robustness and versatility. At the core of built-in functions lies a fundamental principle: to simplify and expedite the coding process. By providing prepackaged solutions to common programming tasks, built-in functions empower developers to write concise, elegant code without sacrificing efficiency or performance. Moreover, their integration into Lua's standard library fosters code reusability, enabling developers to leverage existing solutions to expedite development cycles. Consequently, built-in functions serve as catalysts for innovation, enabling developers to focus on crafting high-level logic rather than grappling with low-level implementation details. While built-in functions in Lua provide a robust foundation for programming tasks, there inevitably comes a point where their capabilities may not suffice for specific requirements. This is where the concept of custom functions comes into play. Custom functions, also known as user-defined functions, afford developers the flexibility to encapsulate reusable blocks of code tailored to their unique needs. Despite the vast array of functionalities offered by Lua's standard library, the diversity of programming challenges necessitates the creation of custom functions to address specific use cases effectively. In essence, while built-in functions serve as indispensable tools in Lua programming, the evolution of software development invariably necessitates the creation of custom functions. These functions, imbued with domain-specific logic and tailored to project-specific requirements, play a pivotal role in realizing the full potential of Lua programming. As we embark on the journey of custom function creation, let us embrace the opportunity to unleash our creativity, innovation, and problem-solving prowess in the pursuit of elegant, efficient solutions. In programming, a function is a block of organized, reusable code that performs a specific task. Functions provide a way to modularize code, making it more manageable, readable, and maintainable. The function keyword is used to define a function in most programming languages. It signifies the beginning of a function declaration. A function typically has a name that identifies it uniquely within the program. Following the function name, there are parentheses that may contain parameters. Parameters are variables that represent values passed to the function when it is called. If a function does not have a name, it is called an anonymous function. Anonymous functions are commonly used in languages that support higher-order functions, allowing functions to be passed as arguments to other functions or assigned to variables. Parameters are variables listed inside the parentheses of a function declaration. They act as placeholders for values that will be passed to the function when it is called. Parameters allow functions to operate on different data each time they are called, enhancing their flexibility and reusability. The body of a function contains the code that defines the function's behavior. The function body contains the instructions or statements that execute when the function is called. The return statement is used to specify the value that a function should return to the caller. It typically appears inside the function body and is followed by the value to be returned. Lua allows functions to return multiple values simultaneously, but you have the flexibility to capture as many or as few of those values as necessary when calling the function. In Lua, the return statement marks the end of a function's execution, and no code or statements can be added after it within the same block of code. Additionally, no code or statements can be added after the end keyword that marks the end of the function definition. Functions encapsulate code by grouping related instructions together. This encapsulation promotes code organization, reusability, and maintainability by allowing developers to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable units. By understanding these fundamental components of functions, programmers can effectively leverage functions to structure their code and create more robust and scalable software solutions. In conclusion, functions are fundamental building blocks in programming, enabling modularity, reusability, abstraction, scalability, readability, maintainability, code organization, and facilitating testing and debugging. While built-in functions provided by the language's standard library offer essential functionalities and expedite common tasks, custom functions empower developers to address specific requirements and tailor solutions to their unique needs. By leveraging both built-in and custom functions judiciously, programmers can create well-structured, maintainable, and scalable software systems that efficiently tackle diverse challenges.